All right, got a set of vertical blinds here that's hitting the wall. And what happens is this will make the blinds mess up. All we need to do is prevent that from happening by either scooting it out, or we can anchor this up a bit more, or extend it out, or bend the bracket up a little bit, just enough to clear that wall, because otherwise it's going to hit here and mess this thing up. So on some brackets you can loosen the nut a little bit and slide it out further. I just need to bend the bracket up a bit, see if that works. If not, then I need to find a way to, hold this out a little bit so that it's not going to hit the wall. Otherwise that's going to mess that up. Okay, I wasn't able to do it with one hand, but was able to do it with two. Got enough of a clearance so that the blinds can rotate now and not mess us up. So it's a done deal. Because this was anchored into a stud, I was able to bend the bracket up just a little bit. If it wasn't in a stud, I'd have to do something different, such as replace the bracket with a longer one. I was able to just lift this up a little bit and bend the bracket up enough that I could see light between the wall and the blind. So I know I have enough room to be able to turn the blinds there. And that's all that's needed. That little bit can really mess you up, because it can cause the blinds to not be able to turn, and then can mess up the master control. It's a done deal.